Hey y'all, how's it going? Happy Friday. Don't you let nothing mess up your day, honey. Don't you do it. Not today, Satan. Not today. Alright, my gals got me some broccoli. And you already know. Look like somebody tried to use my dressing and didn't, maybe that's just me. Don't double dip in my stuff now. Lord Jesus. Lord Jesus. Lord Jesus. Let's not do that. Maybe it's me. Maybe it's me. I got a whole... Think I ain't. Am. Ain't am. I have to have some more crunchiness to it. I got some pizza. Okay. That's a shame I didn't even stop to... Let me stop. Pray first. All the way. Instead of stirring while you pray. Stirring while you pray. Pray. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Oh, Lord. I'll be back. Alright, so... It's okay. Now, it's probably cold. I had to go see a student. It still tastes good. It needs to be hot. Still a little warm. I don't want to heat up my ranch sauce. I made a little vegan pizza. Why don't we fold over the pizza? This is like my break. Not before lunch. I'm just eating something because I ain't ate now. But sometimes I do. Go sit down. Take a load off. And why we talk with our food? Okay. Hey. I'm hungry. And why we talk with our folks? And why we trying to talk with our mouth full? I think people know we say, you know, we the people do a lot. And I do mean everybody. And it's still good. Water. And water. Okay. Doing I'm gone. I want to thank y'all for all the support and the love. Excuse me. I appreciate it. My husband appreciate it. My family appreciate it. And we're going to keep on. Keeping on. I expect you to do the same as well. All right? Keep on pushing. Keep on keeping on. You got this, okay? Be good to yourself. Don't do the things to your body that you know ain't good for you. You know what I mean? Be good to others, because the table is circle. It's round. You doing bad. Oh, believe me, it's coming back. I don't care how mad you get. It's coming back, baby. So, take a deep breath. Woosah. And everything gonna be all right. If you just believe. All right, y'all. All right, now. Peace. I'm out of here. Yeah. Just gonna smash this. Go ahead. Yeah.